Got a burst pipe in Auckland? If you're facing a burst pipe, you know how stressful it can be. Here is an example: water damage, property damage, and the hassle of insurance claims. Sometimes insurance claims get denied, leaving you stuck with expensive repair bills. But don't worry, ATP Plumbers are here to help you turn that nightmare around. When a burst pipe happens, time is critical. You need fast, professional plumbing services in Auckland, like ATP Plumbing, to stop the water and prevent further damage. Our expert plumbers specialise in dealing with burst pipes across Auckland, equipped with the skills and tools to fix the problem quickly and efficiently. What sets us apart is our deep understanding of insurance processes related to plumbing emergencies. Many times, insurance claims for burst pipes get denied because of paperwork errors or missed deadlines. Our plumbers don't just fix your pipe. They also help you navigate the insurance claim process. We work closely with your insurance company to make sure your claim gets approved, saving you time, money, and stress. If you've had a burst pipe in Auckland and your claim was denied, don't give up. Contact the trusted ATP Plumbers today. We'll assess the damage, fix the issue properly, and guide you through rewriting your insurance claim so you get the coverage you deserve. Remember, when it comes to burst pipes in Auckland, you need reliable plumbers who understand both plumbing and insurance. Call us now and let us be the experts who fix your pipes and undo your insurance troubles. Your burst pipe solution in Auckland is just a phone call away. Call us now on 0508 287 583.